Everybody wants cool air in the summer, right? But what if your Honda Ridgeline's AC just blows hot air? Let's figure out why. The AC compressor clutch is like an on-off switch for your air conditioning. When you hit the AC button, it should click on, letting the system cool your car. But if the clutch doesn't engage, you'll only get warm air. First, check if you hear a click from the engine when you turn on the AC. No click? You might have a blown fuse or bad relay. These are easy fixes, just replace the part and try again. If that doesn't work, your AC system might be low on refrigerant. The system won't activate if it senses low pressure to protect the compressor. Adding more refrigerant can help, but if it's leaking out, you'll need a mechanic to find the problem. Another reason? The clutch coil itself could be worn out. This is a bigger fix and you might need a pro for this one. Always start with the simple stuff, fuses, relays, and refrigerant. If those are fine, it's time to see a professional. Remember, dealing with car AC systems can be tricky and sometimes dangerous. If you're not sure, get help from a certified mechanic. That's why your Honda Ridgeline's AC compressor clutch might not be working.